gawa tayo ng 20-minute vlog. Tapos, panoorin natin siya.
Hi guys, so welcome back to my vlog. You know me? Mark.
Alam niyo ba na pinagpalit ko sila sa pamilya ko? Yung pamilya ko nasa Mama Luz. Kami nasa Lolos.
Here. He got pesto. Pesto, di ba?
Yeah.
He got pesto. And
Galing
then,
ko.
the camera woman behind the camera, she got a locomo. So this is our Valentine's date.
Gal talaga.
Yeah. Yeah.
Yap.
Bad yeah.
Sinabi mo ba kung nasan tayo?
Yes. Opus Mall.
We are at the center of attraction.
Yes, nasa center of attraction. Konti lang yung mga store dito. Wala pa masyadong kainan, wala pa masyadong mga bilihan.
Pang mayaman, in short.
Yeah, pang mayaman.
Pang quickie mall.
Ano?
Pang quickie mall.
Quickie Mall. So, ayun, pang Quickie Mall na quote-unquote. Mga 20 minutes pa bago dumating yan.
Diyos ko!
So, we will
Hindi,
be
ang gawin
back.
natin, gawa tayo ng 20-minute vlog, tapos panoorin natin siya. Ay, nagawa tayo ng 10-minute vlog, tapos papanoorin natin siya ng 2 times para hindi tayo mabored.
The transition na lang. So, magta-transition tayo.
Ganun mo, ganun mo.
Na may food na. So, in 3, 2, 1. 3, 2, 1. Sorry, dali yung
Edit mo yan. kung na-video.
Ay, oo talaga, 10 minutes. So, ito po yung may-ari ng camera. Po, wag na nga yan. Ito na lang, guys.
So, ito po yung may-ari ng camera. So,
yan.
guys, welcome back to my vlog.
Nakapangalagi.
Ikaw naman, interview mo na.
No, I'm shy.
Bigyan mo ka ng song. Search natin lyrics.
Talk to me, talk to me.
Sige, relax natin. Looks like we're making out.
Alam ko na, parang hindi tayo maboard. Kumanta tayo ng happy birthday ng 20 times. Ay, ilang minutes ba ang happy birthday? 3 minutes. So, 3, 6, 9, 12,
3
15.
minutes ba yun? Ang happy birthday? Di ba 1 minute lang?
Bakit pag naghuhugas ka ng kamay, yun yung pinapakanta?
Oh, 3 minutes ka pa maghuhugas ng kamay?
Oo.
Happy birthday to you. Happy. So I got my glasses from Sunny's Walker W, and it's in the color black. Ito yung kay Nomi. Yeah, this is Columbus W. Come on. Fast good.
Bagay din sa'yo yan.
You're so close.
Bakit yung mukha nyo bagay sa lahat ng salamin? Kasi ako.
Ganito pala yung... Oo, ganyan sa'yo.
Diba? Kulit
Oo,
na ito.
seryosong tao.
Bagay sa'yo yung manipis nga.
Oo, ito kasi makapal yung...
Yan yung piliin mo next
Ano
time.
ba tawag ito? Bezel.
Matalino nga, iniwan.
Yung problem ko lang dito kasi, di na kasi ako astigmatism. I mean like,
Hindi ka, ikaw na si
Hindi na
Yusha.
ako nearsighted na ako. So, yung glasses ko, whenever I would wear them, nadi-distort. Parang everything is like slightly smaller than they should be. So, kunyari yung circle, instead na gano'n, kapag nakasuot ako ng glasses,
Ay,
nagiging...
Kuya Miggy mo yan natutunan eh.
Hindi.
We?
Sinerch ko siya kasi nung una
Pero yan yung in-explain sa akin ni Kuya Miggy.
ganun talaga
Oo.
daw. Normal yun.
Oo.
Kasi nung sinerch ko, sabi ko...
Kasi yung astigmatism mo, pumapantay na siya sa labo ng mata mo.
As a professional patient, as a opto enthusiast.
You,
My case is compound myopic astigmatism. So compound means... Ano yun?
Compound is like many houses. Many houses in one place. Compound.
compound! Oh, what
yeah.
is the difference of rural and urban?
And peri-urban.
And semi-urban. What? You don't know because you don't have PPH.
What's the difference between RA8481 and RA9484? You don't know because you don't listen.
Wow!
Oh, it's nice.
bangungot sa tubig. Kunyari nagbabasa kayo.
Hi guys, so we're done eating. And now mag-iikot na kami. What are you looking at?
I'm not looking, I'm smelling.
Oh.
Nice.
Take a picture tayo. Take a picture. Wait, parang bakit ang lakas ng ng brightness? Hello? Paano i-adjust? Ah, okay. O, di ba napakaliwanag na para bang we're gonna roam around. It's Alex and Coco. This is Alex, this is Coco. Wow. Not out of focus. Oh. So, what are we looking at?
This is Yossi Break.
Oh, really? This is Yossi Brick?
You got that hold over me. Long as I got your love, you know that I'll never leave. When I wanted you to share my life, I had no doubt in my mind. And it's been you.
You guys, I can't find them. Kalalabas ko lang na... Oh, never mind. Nakita ko na sila kumakape.
Oo nga.
I know how much I lean on you.
Show the camera. 1, 2, 3.
You can see the changes that have been true. How felt the mark on me.
Marco.
You've been as constant as a northern star, the brightest light that shines. It's been you,
Go inside.
right down the line. I just wanna say this is my way of telling you everything I could never say before. Yeah, this is my way of telling you that every day.
We're here at Machu Tokyo. And I ordered Pajicha latte.
Yung sa, sa tomorrow.
Something better inside of me.